Hello, Oluwatoshei here. Welcome back to my channel where I share delicious and healthy recipes that you can easily make at home. Today I'm excited to show you how to make a classic African dish that is not only easy to make but also packed with health benefits. Yes, I'm talking about unripe plantain fufu or plantain swallow. In this video, I'll be showing you my favorite recipe using just 3 unripe plantains, which are also called green plantains, and 1 cup of water, making it a very affordable and easy to make dish. So let's get started. While we prep the plantains, let's talk about some of the amazing health benefits of unripe plantains. Firstly, unripe plantains are high in fiber, which is important for maintaining digestive health. They also have a low glycemic index, which means they are less likely to cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Unripe plantains are also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. Also, the potassium content in unripe plantains may help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. They may help with weight loss. The high fiber content of unripe plantains can help you feel full for longer, potentially helping in weight loss efforts. In all, unripe plantain fufu is a nutritious dish that you will definitely want to add to your recipe collection. The plantains have been washed already and peeled. Slice them into small pieces. You may remove the core to get rid of the seeds if you don't like to see the black color of the seeds. Next, blend the plantains until smooth. Pour water gradually. Start with half a cup to see how your blender will blend it before adding the other half cup of water. Be careful not to add too much water as we don't want it to affect the final look. Transfer the blended plantains into a pot. Then add a little water to rinse off the little remaining in the blender. Be careful at this point not to add too much water while doing this. Place on your stove top. Under a very low flame, start to stir gradually until the look changes and it starts to cook and solidify. Keep stirring even if it looks like it's not forming what you want. Don't stop and you will get a lump-free, seed-free, smooth, nice and elastic plantain fufu without stress. Made with 100% fresh, green or unripe plantains. If you wish to cook it further, you may add a little water, cover it up for a minute and it's ready. The trick here is not to add too much water while blending. If you've already made that mistake, don't worry, just dish it and cover it and allow it to stay for a little while. You will discover that it will cake to an appreciable texture that you want. As with any food, it is best to enjoy unripe plantain fufu in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Unripe plantain fufu or fufu can be served with any of your favorite stews, sauces, or soups. That's it for today's recipe on how to make healthy unripe plantain fufu or swallow. As you can see, it's easy and affordable to make and it's packed with health benefits. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you liked this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think on this recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.